Hey guys, and welcome back to our Vexel art tutorial, and I think this would be the last part of this series of tutorials, which is the hair. Okay, so gagawin na po natin yung hair. Ayan, so I think the hair for this time is mas madali na siya kasi medyo konti lang naman. Okay, so let's make sure na ito yung line art natin. Okay, then add tayo ng layer sa ibabaw, and then kunin natin yung pen tool. Make sure to set it into path. And I'm sorry guys for the background noises. May mga kambing, baboy, ayun. Anyway, let's continue. Make sure that this is on the path, yung pen tool. And then, let's trace the hair. Medyo ilampas natin mga lods using yung path, although we can also use yung nito shape, whatever is easier for you to use, yun na lang gamitin ninyo. Okay, for this tutorial or example, gumagamit ako ng path. Then let's hide that. Make sure yung brush natin is yung hard round, yung nasa gitna. Reduce this to maybe 7 or 6, 7. Then balitan natin yung kulay. Let's try to color pick na lang siguro sa image. Maybe this one. Then let's try to stroke path. Medyo blurry. I mean, let's change the color to Control Z na lang siguro. Yan. I'm going to change the color to something gold kasi yun yung nasa reference natin eh. Medyo gold. Yan. Siguro Ayan. So I think that's better. So Control Z na lang muna natin. Then yan. Let's add colors, or I mean strands. Okay, just continue to add path. Yan. Kung hindi man magiging maayos yung hair natin, asa sa inyo na yun kung paano nyo sa ayusin, papagandahin, at nakuha nyo naman na yung, or nakikita nyo naman na yung kung paano gawin. So siguro trace. Okay, so let's check the output kung maayos ba. And make sure to right click, stroke path, simulate pressure. Okay. Think maayos naman na as for my observation. So ang gagawin ko siguro, dadagdag pa ako ng kaunti dito. to make it more realistic naman. And I think that this one is much better siguro. So ang gagawin ko, lilipat ako sa taas or dito sa may taas ng noo, and then going to add some strands here. I'm sorry guys for the background noise. Yan, gutom na yung mga alaga ng kapitbahay, kaya sobrang ingay na ng mga alaga nila. Okay, so let's close the reference. Tingnan natin kung magiging, yeah, it's good. And then mag-add pa tayo on this part, which is I think mas mahirap siya kasi mas maraming strands. Okay, so Control Z para matanggal to, then pen tool para bumalik. So let's check if the output is good. Close natin. Think it's good enough, pero pag mas kaya nyo pa naman mas ayusin, then it is much better ba? Okay, so on this part naman, okay, maybe let's add this one. Yan, close that. Sorry, zoom out, right click, stroke path. So close, and I think that's much better. So how about talagang ganun lang. So ganyan yung kakalabasan ng ginawa natin mga lods. And then ang gagawin siguro natin is to add more details siguro sa buhok. Maybe pat ulit, pero ngayon hindi na natin base doon. Let's just see kung ano yung magiging output nito or outcome gagawin natin. It's just an experiment. Right click, stroke path. Okay, I think it's good. Then add pa tayo on this part. hook. Yan. So, stroke path. Okay. Sorry. Ayan. So, let's save it. And then, mag-add ulit tayo ng siguro layer dito sa may ibabaw niya. Okay. So, add layer. Yung highlights na lang ito. So, maybe kahit di na natin i-check yun. Yan. So, mag-add lang tayo ng highlights. Dapat mga lods yung strands nyo dapat magpantay-pantay. Pangit din ako kasi ako pag pantay-pantay hindi siya magandang tignan. Ganda kung may variation naman kahit papano. Then, try to maybe kunin natin yung kulay nito. Lighter one. Palitan natin. Stroke. Okay. Or maybe Control Z. Let's make it much lighter. Oops, sorry. Stroke path. Okay. Think that's good. So, dagdag pa ako dito. May mga nagtatanong pala kung paano maputol yan. Just press escape. Yan. Tapos, yan. And then, siguro, kunin na lang natin to. Add some strands. Sorry. Okay, nilampas ko naman eh. Yan. Konti dito. Yan. Okay. Yan. Then maybe some on this part. Right click, stroke path, okay. Escape. I think that's good enough. So let's see. Let's continue. Yan, then let's maybe add some here. Yan. Then some on this part. Okay, I think we are done mga lodi. Stroke path, okay. And let's go. So, ayan na mga lods. So, tapos na tayo sa ating Vexel art tutorial. Tapos na rin tayo for this series. And I hope na may mga natutunan naman kayo mga lodi. Kung may natutunan man kayo, don't forget to like this video. At pagpatuloy nyo lang mag-practice ng Vexel art. And I know na sa practice lang matututo kayo. You do not need to spend 8 hours a day sa pagpa-practice, kahit mga 1 to 2 hours lang every day. That's good enough. And ayun, sooner or later mas gagaling pa po kayo. If you have some questions or queries on how to make one of these, do not forget to leave a comment down the description below. Comment box below. And ayun, huwag kayong mahihiya magtanong. Salamat sa panonood. And see you on our next series of tutorials. Thank you and God bless.